So ayun na nga no, chinecheck ko ngayon yung status ng Facebook account ko and also ng mga pages ko kasi alam niyo naman na consistent na ako nagki-create ng content and it's already been 35 days and chineck ko yung analytics sa bawat social media platform. So first yung sa Facebook ko, ayan yung results niya as of today, and then sa TikTok din. So ayan yung number of views, number of audiences, number of profile views, and then also sa Instagram naman, which is yung ayan yung nakuha kong views din, ayan yung mga videos na pumalo no, or yung madaming engagement na nakuha. When it comes to creating content or if ang goal mo is mapalaki yung brand mo online, first na focus mo muna is yung volume or number of videos na pinoproduce mo. Gaano kadami yung videos na pinoproduce mo and if consistent ka ba sa paggawa ng video. Once na maging consistent ka na, you now start to focus on the second thing, which is yung quality. Proving yung quality ng videos, yung quality ng audio, yung quality ng lighting, and then yung quality ng camera na gamit mo for your videos. And then after that, if okay na yung quality ng videos mo, you now start focusing on distribution.